Hello everyone! Whether it's Windows 11 or Windows 10, your system receives it over there and visual fix for solving PC lag, friction, glitches, and system clutters. Many people's first instinct when their computer runs into trouble is to reset it. But here's the thing. Many forgot to back up the files beforehand. It's only after the reset finished that they realize their photos, work documents, and important videos are gone. But don't panic. In today's video, I'll show you practical methods for recovering data after a system reset. Important tip before you begin first. A very important tip. If you just finished resetting your computer and found your important data missing, stop using this computer immediately. Saving your files, downloading software, or browsing the web will overwrite your old data on your hard drive. One overwriting recovery becomes nearly impossible. Alright, let's go step by step on how to recover lost data after a system reset. Method 1. System restore points. Some might ask, can I use a system restore point to recover my files? Well, here's the answer. While restore points fix many system issues, once you run a Windows system reset, the PC automatically related all old restore points. Simply put, restore points won't help you recover files after rest. Let's move on to more practical methods. Method 2. File history. Important works if enabled before the rest. The second method is the easier. The most people using file history recovery. The key is that you must have turned on your built-in file history feature before relating your system. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Open the control panel. Select System and Security. Then choose Save backing copies of your files while file history. Next, click Restore Personal Files. On the left menu bar to enter the recovery page. Step 2. Find and filter the files you need. The page has an interface similar to the File Explorer. Click the middle arrow to switch back versions from different times. Switch to a backup mode before the reset and locate the files you want to restore. Once you found the files, click the Restore button and the button and your files will return to their original folder automatically. If you don't want original storage, right-click Restore, select Restore to, pick a new path like a USB drive or another disk, then confirm. Note: file history backs up files regularly, so if this feature was active, you can recover most personal files from before the reset. Try this method first. Method 3. Professional data recovery tool. No backup before reset? Use this. If you didn't enable file history and make no another backups before resetting, don't worry. A professional recovery tool is your best immediately solution. I've tested many tools, and PandaOffice Drecov delivers the most regular performance and highest recovery rate. This tool recovers deleted HDD files and fixes all kinds of data loss after Windows reset. It has a full graphical interface without completed commands, making it friendly for total beginners. Here is how to use it. The first, download and install PandaOffice Drecov via its official website or the link in the video description. Second, launch the software when select Deep Scan or Main page. Third, choose the cartridge disk from the list and start scanning. The waiting time depends on disk capacity. After scanning, the tool sorts our recoverable files clearly into photos, videos, documents, and archives. search by file name or filter by file type to locate items fast. Double-click and file to preview content. Tick what you need, then click Recover. Bonus: PandaOffice Drecov supports over a 2-cent file format. It recommended common JPG, Word, MP4, and professional design files perfectly. It works on Windows 11, 12, 8, and 7, and can restore data from USB drives, CD cards, and external hard drives. It's extremely practical. Tips to prevent future data loss. Finally, here's a practical tip to avoid data loss. This method more than recovery, so keep that in mind. Always turn on file history or sync files to cloud storage like on OneDrive and Google Drive. Your data stays safe even if the computer breaks down. It's wise to back up key data regularly and an external hard drive. Combining cloud and local backups offer for storage data security. Update system patches in time to stop crashes caused by vulnerability. So you won't need to forget receipt as offer, deletion or receipt included data loss. Use professional recovery software like Drecov. That's all the methods to recover lost data after Windows 11 or 10 receipt. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll share more data recovery and PC operation types later. See you next time. Bye.